Snake. Wow, you eat one animal snake.
No,
Okay.
no, no. I'm not gonna eat snake.
Yes, don't forget to like and subscribe because Tenzin Young has amazing work. She's
This morning I didn't have the breakfast,
Okay.
so I am very hungry.
Hello, Interstellar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Tenzin Young here. Today I'm going to challenge to speak English whole day with my sister Lobsang Chatan and Genla Gensenla, and we are going to outside. Before we plan to go mountainside, but now we go to anywhere. So let's see what can we do. So me and Genla Gensen, we are going to challenge to speak whole day in English. So let's see. I hope you all enjoy. So let's see. Today's weather is pretty good. When I woke up, that time there was no good weather. So I'm going to Sister Lobsang Children room. Let's see. And here is very beautiful flowers. You can see very beautiful, and it is our little cat. And here also, wow, very beautiful. Smell is very, I love it. White rose. Yeah, don't mind. My English is not good. Also, I can't spell well, and my pronunciation also not good. So I hope you understand. So let's see. Wow, it's very beautiful. I hope it. I have also like this flower on in, but not. It's very beautiful. Let's see. You can see. So beautiful. So now I came Sister Lobsang Children room. So but now they are not ready. So I'm going to bring some bags from my room. And now it's getting very pretty weather, so I'm very excited to go outside with them. I took this bag, so let's see what I put here. Wow, it is very pretty weather now. So let's see. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are going?
On the mountains.
Okay.
let's go.
Okay, we are going now. So
She's already in the mood. She's already in the mood of wanting. She wanted to jump here.
yeah,
She didn't want to go to the stairs. She wanted to jump here.
yeah, we are very excited. So now go. Finally, we are going now, and it's pretty good. No crowd.
Because with this twist, everything is
Cannot get it lot off, and isolation also. Now we are going, and 600, yeah, maybe. Yeah. Now we are going to search some taxi, but we don't know we get or no. But now we are walking in market. So it's very nice now because there are not much people here, so it's good. Wait. We get auto, so we are going in by auto. Yeah, we are
Going for picnic.
picnic. Now we reach
Now we reach Galu Temple.
Galu Temple.
We reached it.
Now we reach Galu Temple.
Galu Temple. The weather is very nice.
Yeah,
Welcome.
Sky is very clear.
yeah. Let me show you.
So we have to go to the
There's so many taxi and bikes. So where we go?
So let's go to where we hang out the flags, or let's stay here, or we go inside the jungle, or we go to the waterfall. What do you prefer? Two of you, because this is for you today.
Okay, waterfall side. Now we are going to flag side. We are going to buy some water. Maybe 2 bottles is better. Ngadila ye aja de. Ye. Thank you.
I give this ever up.
Yes, you use this for after.
Okay,
Yeah, chalo. So this is for our tea.
so let's go.
So
Wow,
this is our way.
It is looking very beautiful and greeny. So now we are going.
I take the bottle. I take.
You can take one.
Very good weather today, and now flowing fresh air.
Singing song.
You can hear. Here's very. Can you hear this sounds like chirping birds? Yeah, it's very nice. They are going. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Birds are chirping. We are going by our walk, and it's very pretty good. So let's go. I hope you all are enjoy, and like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.
And, this morning I didn't have the breakfast,
Okay.
so I am very hungry.
So first we can make tea, and we bring some champa and chapati, also fruits, so we can.
What means chapati?
Chapati means roti.
Black tea.
Black tea.
And what means
Black
roti?
tea.
Black tea.
We
Okay.
take black tea.
Or coffee. We also have coffee.
Coffee and
We have lots of fruits.
2
And
pieces
it's-
of bread.
And
Bread.
snack.
Bread, two
Snake.
snake.
Wow, you eat one animal snake. No.
No, I'm not gonna eat snake.
But would you like some snacks?
Yes.
Also? Oh, snacks
Yeah.
are very delicious.
And
And also we have fruits. We have lots of nuts. Oh, we have also quinoa. No, yes, not quinoa. Chia with curd and dry fruits. Usually, sometimes we do picnic here. Also, so here is a flat, so you can enter here, and there's a very flat, nice place there.
yeah, it's very quiet.
We reach the nice place. Places
A nice place.
a nice place. Then we quiet there and we eat the breakfast. Okay?
Okay.
That's good. When we reach a nice place, let's have
Okay, let
our
me know you. I tell you something. Today morning, I woke up. Five.
I woke up.
Woke up. I woke up. Isn't it? It's not right. I woke up. Woke up. Yeah. Today I woke up 5 o'clock and I did a little bit exercise. So I think because exercise is I think exercise is very important. So I started to do exercise, and then and then I drink some waters and also milk. Wanna reach the flag port now.
Any mirror?
Yes, you know, usually when we come to pray for the Losar,
Oh,
yes, it's in that place that I thought.
I didn't have go there.
You haven't been here.
Yeah,
So let's
me
try
too.
today.
Yeah.
And then if you think it's nice, we stay. Otherwise, we go to the jungle.
Yeah.
But in the jungle, there is no sun, and it's a little bit cooler, maybe for today. And then it's amazing places. So there are a few places where we can stay. There is the toppest one, together with the prayer flags, which is nice, and sun. Okay.
Okay.
And inside there is jungle, beautiful jungle, but no sun.
4 or 5 years ago, we went for this side for picnic.
Really?
our class,
You
yeah.
went to that jungle.
Yeah, that's it.
I think it's changed nowadays. They are built. Yeah, Nadi temple.
Nadi there.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. Look at this.
Yes.
There's some very good news. Look.
Okay.
In upper, they are building some roofs. So actually, all of this beautiful path, they prepare for Nag temple. I think for this Hindu temple.
Yes.
And so maybe if there are many tourists, they would come here. They would not come to Flag Point.
Yeah.
That is very good. So it's gonna be a little bit more quiet where we reach.
Okay, we can take some photos. Let's go now. We took some photos. Entering jungle. It's a little bit look like jungle. Some flowers on here. Wow, it's looking beautiful.
Yeah, upper.
Sonam we and one of friend, we came here for picnic, Losar picnic.
I came here with
Yeah,
some,
Gela.
yes, with some Gelas, some teachers, and some foreigners, I guess.
Yes.
Also, right?
Going this way and look at this flag, looking very beautiful, and it's look like a little bit our village. What's called in Nguna? Suibre. Sweating. Now a little bit getting sweaty. Wow, you can look this. Wow, it's looking very beautiful. Let me show you beautiful mountains. Okay, you can see here. Wow, this is the place. Very beautiful mountains, and yeah, this flag, and also their house. This is Dharamkot, and that is our Meghlorganj. You can see here. Yeah, it is looking very beautiful. They already gone now. I'm left here, so now I'm also going. Wow, it is really beautiful. Yeah, from here looking better. Okay, wow, this is a place, our Dharamsala place. Wow, it's looking amazing. So much. It is looking very beautiful, and I also miss my best friend Sonam and Hamo also. Before, I think I came here with them before 3 years before I came. Sonam and Hamudrama, I miss you so much. Yeah, today I came with my sister Lobsang Chodron and Gyanla Kesunrama. Yeah, it's a very beautiful place. Yeah, look at this. Wow, this is a place. Very nice. If you watching my vlog, and some comments and like and share. Thank you so much for always supporting my supporting me and beautiful place. So now I'm going to help them. Now we are going to make tea. So look at this. Like this.
Oh, first we set fire here.
Okay, I'm coming.
First we set
Okay,
fire here.
okay.
Then we
Then we are make tea.
make some tea
Yeah.
and some breakfast.
How is this place?
It is very nice and good views and clean and
Very clean.
very clear,
Clean
Clean.
and clean. Clean, yeah.
clear ears.
Looking peaceful.
Yeah, peaceful.
Okay, let's-
quiet.
Okay, now go. Now we going to make some tea and water boil. Okay, here we put our bags, and now we are going to search some dry.
I set fire here.
Yeah. Now we are going to make tea. And now look there. Very beautiful. Some here from Whoa. Now. Kare. It's looking better now. Yeah, or
It's so, it's very different. Actually, many years, for many years I haven't been here. Maybe the last time, maybe what, 5 years ago? Something like that.
no, 3 years.
Okay, 3 years. And so I don't remember, but it's very changed a lot. Before, the only place that we burned the incense and so forth, that we offer all the incense, it was this.
Yes.
And then the prayer flags were this one here,
Yeah.
like this, and maximum a little bit of this. Now it's completely with plenty of prayer flags. Also, many places where they set fire here, there.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very different, and we still have the amazing view for the mountains and so forth.
Okay.
Very good. This seems that they bring lots of prayer flags here.
Yes. And this is our teapot. What is this?
This is
I don't know.
it is this is from
This is our gas water. Where's the lighter? Okay. Now we are going to fire. Fire.
fire.
The-
Sticks, papers, little weight,
Yeah.
so maybe
It not.
difficult to fire.
Yes. No, you can do this like this type. Wait, somebody coming here. Oh,
Oh yeah.
now I'm going to fire with this plastic because I think plastic is better for fire. So I took this one. Now I'm going to fire this plastic with this plastic. So I can do this like this type. Yeah, it's very wet. Now I can do this like this type. Maybe I don't have knowledge much, but like this, I think this is good for fire. Finally, I did this. Going to make. Who is this boat?
Tampo
Who's this boat?
Patty. Kienanse.
How can we wash this?
After we wash.
Okay. So now, finally, we made fire, and now we are going to make tea. Okay, let's see like this.
Some
Chapati,
patty,
pati,
brown sugar mix.
Some black tea, right?
black tea.
Teas, some
Acha,
brown
di-
sugar.
This is wet. so it's not good for fire. Wow. How are you feeling now?
Yeah, I'm very good, very happy, really very excited for our journey here. 3 of us in our second day of holiday after the fasting retreat, right? Usually after fasting retreat we have 2 days off, and today is the second. And this is a very special place. It's where usually we set the prayer flags here, and so yes, it's very good.
Some babies. Here is no internet.
Yeah.
What?
Kela said,
Some baby, here is
right.
no internet.
yeah.
I didn't notice. I didn't notice yet that there's no.
Here is not well network, so it is good for us.
Yes.
After-
And actually, I really feel so fortunate. Usually, this is not good for the environment, for our health, and so forth. And then,
We do like this our home.
yes. Our cushions. Right? Hello.
Wait.
Ah, Chico. Da non sei anni coffee do.
It's looking like
Yeah, our tea color is very nice. It looks very delicious.
yes.
We mix dry fruits with tea.
Yeah.
It's become special tea.
Yeah. Very delicious, and you can see it like this. Actually, I didn't drink tea much, but in mountain, outside when we make tea, it is very delicious and very tasty. So now we are making tea. Now it's about to boiling, right?
Where's the tampa? Enjoy a lot. We are already enjoying a lot. So amazing. Look, so we have tampa. We have to have together with tea, butter, and then some fruits, and then we have some curd. All the ants already came to visit us. So we have here yogurt with chia and dry fruits. Here we have vegetables to have with the tampa, and with bread, pato from Chile.
Yeah. Look at my hand like this. Okay. So see, our tea is looking very yummy. Wow, it's very tasty.
Wow, the tea made in the fire here is so tasty. Thank you so much. And the pa is this flour, like barley flour, together with hot water, tea, and butter. It's super delicious. It's one of the foundation food, the basic food that Tibetans eat back in Tibet and also here. And it's super.
We are finished our breakfast. It's very amazing, very tasty. So now we are going to take some picture with this beautiful place. It's very good. I feel very happy to be in here today with them. Yeah, now I have to take some short video and also picture with them for great memory.
That's good.
Yeah.
You feel nice, good,
Yeah, like
relaxed.
relaxed.
Yes, it's very relaxed. I'm also
Yeah,
feeling very relaxed.
all of food is very tasty.
Oh yes, the food was very tasty. Actually, we brought lots of food, isn't it?
Yeah,
I thought it was
we-
very.
Now we are going to collect our things and like this the fruit. I really love this. They carried this and I really love this. Now I am going to eat this. It's very yummy. So now we are going back and it was very, very nice.
very tranquil, very peaceful.
So
We
I
ate a
ate a
lot,
lot.
talk
We
even more. We
Yeah.
rest, we love. It was
And
very
you
good
also
morning.
sleep?
I slept beautifully.
Yeah.
And yes, and so it was very nice morning.
Morning.
Now we are going back just before the rain because might be raining
Yes.
today. See you.
So don't
Don't forget like and
Oh yes,
subscribe.
don't forget
Yeah, yeah.
to like and to
like,
subscribe and to because
follow.
Tenzin Young has amazing work. She's an amazing Anila, and besides of this, she's an amazing person. And so yes, do follow her channel. And thank you so much, and see you soon.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was very beautiful. Now let's go, guys.
Let's come back.
Yeah. It's getting like rainy, right?
Yes.
So now we are going back down and we are also taking some picture on our on way. So don't forget subscribe and like, comment, share. Thank you so much.
Now we are going back before the
Wow!